If I could tell San Diego one thing about design, that would be that design cuts across all industries, and that design is really about approach, and that it goes so far above and beyond the idea of just making something prettier, making something more interesting to look at. It has to do with designing systems, it has to do with designing the flow within a city, it has to do with designing organizational structures and making things more efficient and making things more productive. So design is a big, wide concept that, whether we know it or not, actually applies to just about everything that we do.
Design is not a job, it's a state of mind. It's looking at things in a whole new way. And for me, I couldn't find shoes that fit, and that helped me create a company where we make custom shoes. So my challenge and my question to you is, how are you looking at everyday life and looking at it as a state of mind and not as one career journey path?
As you know, San Diego is sort of the hotbed for biotech industry, right? And so when you have this much biotech activities in biotech engineering, bioinformatics, the design and the design thinking is going to be a huge opportunity for designers and the design lab here in UC San Diego to be able to be part of that design process, design thinking, and really bring that human factors engineering, customer experience thinking, and best practices around design to this community. So I think there's an enormous amount of potential opportunity for designers to be part of that movement here.
When you talk about San Diego, there's one thing that comes to mind for us, and it's the reason we moved from other cities to here, and that's the wonderful comfort of living here. And when we get work-life balance, this is the place to do it. And it's a little embarrassing to tell that to people instead of saying, I want a career or money, or it's a hell of a nice place to live.
Design is a way of thinking and of doing in a way that transforms lives. So what we do is we say, let's solve the fundamental problems that affect people, putting people first. But you know, we're not afraid to try. We make something, we try it out, we say, that's not so good, let's do something else. And San Diego is filled with the kind of creative people in a wonderful environment that makes this possible. I think design can help revitalize, excite, and build the San Diego community. I'm really excited by it.
Design shapes every single layer of life for every member of our community, and the power of design in San Diego is really at the cusp of being discovered by just about everyone, every industry, because it's such a strong component of who we are as a city.
San Diego, you got this. We are a city built of creative people that can do incredible things and create the future of this amazing city. And design is a crux of what will be needed to do that. And so I'd encourage every single person out there that's creative to participate in the revolution that's happening by jumping in and doing whatever they can to make the city great.